Jessamine Cardozo, and we are going to talk about the cry of Pugadlawin. First of all, who is Pio Valenzuela? Pio Valenzuela y Alejandrino was a Filipino physician and revolutionary leader. At the age of 22, he joined the Society of Katipunan, a movement which sought the independence of the Philippines from Spanish colonial rule and started the Philippine Revolution. And now, let's discuss Pio Valenzuela's story to understand his perspective on what happened in the Cry of Pugadlawin. Cry of Pugadlawin on August 23, 1896. According to Dr. Pio Valenzuela, there are two versions of the first rally of the Katipunan. In his first version, he said that the cry took place in Balintawak, which was the first stage of the Philippine Revolution. He related this one event were still fresh in his memory. After the outbreak of revolution, he abandoned the movement and fled to Binian, Laguna for safety. When Governor General Ramon Blanco issued an amnesty, Valenzuela returned to Manila on September 3, 1896 and surrendered to Blanco. He was imprisoned in Fort Santiago. In his investigation, he told Francisco Olive, a Spanish investigator, that the cry took place in Balintawak on Wednesday, August 26, 1896. But eventually, due to a fading memory and without consulting documents, he wrote his Memoirs of Revolution. In his memoirs, he said that the cry was held in Pugadlawin on August 23, 1896.
Mga susunod na henerasyon ay bahagi ng ating responsibilidad. Tayong mga nauna, tayong may kakayahang lumaban. Tayo makapagbibigay ng kalayaan.
Napakarami na ang naging biktima ng mga at mas marami pa ang mamamatay. Ilang araw mula ngayon, sa gabi ng 29, sisimulan na natin ang revolusyon.
Taong 1896, ika-23 ng Agosto, nagtipon-tipon ang 500 Katipunero sa Pugadlawin upang ipahayag ang kanilang paglaban sa pamahalang Kastila.
Lalaban tayo hanggang sa huli. Tayo ang nagmamay-ari sa lupang ito! Sa atin ang bayan ito.
Ang salitang sigaw ay isinalin sa salitang Espanyol na El Grito de Rebelión, na nanguhulugang desisyon o pagtawag ng himagsikan. Dito rin naganap ang malang simbolikong pagpunit ng mga Katipunero sa kanilang mga sidula bilang pagpapahayag ng kanilang pag-aalsa laban sa mga Kastila. Ito ang sinabing naging hudyat na simula ng revolusyon ng mga Pilipino laban sa rehimen ng Espanya.
Ulitin ang mga sedula nyo! Mabuhay ang Katipunan! Mabuhay ang